Hello everyone. So if you want to change your screenshot settings on your Samsung device, let's get started. So first of all, you are to open up your settings, of course. Now let's scroll down to our advanced features. There we are. Open them up. And so here we are to look at screenshots and screen recordings. Here is our screenshot tab. You can enable or disable show toolbar after capturing. What is toolbar? Let me perform a screenshot. It's power button plus volume down button. And as you see, this little toolbar emerges. So that's what it's called. And if you're gonna turn off this option, as you see, no toolbar will appear. Let's turn it back. You can also enable delete after sharing. If you want to hide status and navigation bars, so if you have gestures or if you just want to hide your status bar, you can enable it. It's actually a great thing. I will enable it. Save original screenshots. This lets you to revert to the original screenshots after editing them in gallery, but it uses more storage and space. You can choose the format, JPEG or PNG. It's only up to you. And you can choose the folder when you're going to be saving your screenshots to. So you can either create it or just check up for your basic one to know where you save them. One more cool feature, let's go back to our advanced settings, press motions and gestures, and here make sure that you enabled palm swipe to capture option. Usually it's enabled by the default, so it's a very cool feature which allows you to swipe from the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Let me show it to you. Screenshot is taken. Great, fast, and easy. So basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.